back to Hanith's world. Today I'm going to show and tell about Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. It's the most beautiful bird on the earth. It is mostly blue in color and its feathers blue, golden and green. It has colorful and long feathers. Peacock eats grains and vegetables. Peacock loves to dance in the rain. Peacock spreads his feather and dances. It looks beautiful when it dances. Male bird is called peacock. Female bird is called peahen. Peacock can fly to some height but cannot fly in the sky. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.